Hi students, in this video we will discuss about sum of two numbers using recursion or recursive functions. So what is recursion? A function calling itself. Here earlier we used to perform in the while learning C language. In the beginning of C we used to accept two numbers C equal to A plus B and we used to display the sum. Now I want to find sum of two numbers using recursive functions. Here so the return type of the function is integer, name of the function is sum, and here I take int x comma int y. So if y equal to 0, return x, else return sum of, again we are calling the function by passing x plus 1 comma y minus 1. So what we are performing here, x plus 1 comma y minus 1. Here while calling the function c equal to sum of a comma b. Here a value will be copied to x, b value will be copied to y. So here what happens, actually we are accepting two numbers from the user. Let us assume that if a value is 5 and b value is also 5. So a comma sum of 5 comma 5 will be passed to this function. So 5 will be stored in x and 5 will be stored in y. Both 5 and 5 will be stored in x and y. Now what happens here, 5 equal to 0, now false. So it goes to the else part. So one value we are increasing by 1 and one variable we are decreasing by 1. So how many times this variable will decrement, that many times this variable will be incremented. That is, 1 will be added that many times. So when it becomes a 0, how many times it will be iterated? If a y value is 5, it will iterate for 5 times. This function will be called for 5 times. So 5 times this value will be incremented. So you will get the sum of two numbers in x when y becomes 0. Okay, now here 4 and 6 and 4. Next time it will be 7 and 3. Then next time it will be 8 and 2. Then 8 and 1. 9 and 1. Then 10 and 0. Then when y is 0, x that is 10 will be returned to the caller. Now let us run this program once. Save, compile and run the program. Enter two numbers, 5 and 5 if you enter, sum equal to 10. So run once again, you can enter any number. So 12 and 7, sum equal to 19. So this is how to find sum of two numbers using recursion. If you have any doubts, please comment. Thank you for watching.